Hello, my name is Jim Richards, and I am the CEO of Total Security Solutions. While many of the raw materials used by bullet-resistant barrier manufacturers are the same, the comparison ends there. What separates Total Security Solutions from the rest of the industry is that we offer a full range of professional consulting, design, fabrication, and installation services. Our reputation for high quality and responsiveness is a product of our proven process. The 4 stages of our proven process are assess, plan, produce, and delivery/installation. While all 4 phases are important, the final phase, delivery/installation, is crucial. What makes our delivery and installation service different, you might ask? First off, we are one of the only manufacturers that offer factory installation. Our team of in-house professionals will travel nationwide and install systems for you. These are experienced craftsmen who have installed thousands of systems and know how to ensure that your system is correct. Second, right from the start of your project, our project managers will work with you to arrange a delivery and installation time that works best for you. In fact, 90% of our installations happen in one day, and 90% of those actually occur overnight. That way, when you open your door in the morning, it's as if the system has always been there. Third, if your project requires any millwork, we can do that as well to ensure a proper fit and finish. All of these factors together ensure that your job is completed as promised and on time. Now let's take a moment to understand the actual installation process. When our installers arrive at your location, they will first do a site check just to confirm that everything is ready to go. They will meet with your site contact, answer any questions that they might have, and confirm the project scope, just to make sure everyone is on the same page. Next, they will unload the truck, confirm all measurements, and then they will install the system. They will also make any necessary field modifications that are needed. Finally, before leaving, they will ensure that the site is thoroughly cleaned. Whether you use our in-house factory installers or a contractor of your choice, we will work to ensure seamless delivery and installation. For more information on TSS Ballistic systems, our installation process, or to schedule a free consultation, please contact us today.